Welcome to Evteks. Evteks is a company based in the city of Denizli, Turkey, producing sustainable and high-quality textile products.
At Evteks, we not only differentiate ourselves through our products, but also through our ethical and sustainable business approach.
Sustainability and innovation are at the heart of our business. We offer various textile products such as knitted blankets, knitted apparel, towels, bathrobes and bed linen. At Evteks, sustainability isn't just a buzzword. It's a way of life. Our entire facility runs on renewable energy sources, lessening our carbon footprint and reducing our impact on the planet. But we don't stop there. We've also implemented rainwater harvesting systems, allowing us to save water, one of our most precious resources. Quality and integrity go hand in hand at Evteks, and we're proud to hold multiple industry certifications. We are certified by GOTS, OCS, Evteks Organic, Evteks, GRS, and RWS. These certifications are a testament to our unwavering commitment to sustainable and ethical practices. Furthermore, we are audited members of BSCI and comply with the SEDEX SMETA Pillar 4 standards. These memberships mean we adhere to the highest ethical practices in labor, health, and safety, ensuring that our workers are cared for and our production processes are transparent and ethical. Our employees' personal development, social well-being, and comfort enhance our production capability and designs. We all love what we do, and that's why we're very happy. Evteks, the new generation factory.